Welcome to our automated code review system powered by Generative AI. This innovative solution provides comprehensive feedback on code quality, best practices, and potential issues across multiple programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java. Our system automates the review process, ensuring enhanced code quality and consistency for your development projects. Experience the future of code reviews with our advanced AI-driven technology. Here is our user-friendly web interface where users can submit their code for review. User submits a Python, Java, and JavaScript code snippet. Let's submit a Python code snippet for review. Loading and processing. Review report. Here is the detailed review report, highlighting line-by-line comments, suggestions for improvements, and detected issues with severity levels.